Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Strike Finder 2 lightning trigger. Alright, so for the past year, myself and the group that I'm with, Big Bolt Media, we work with Strike Finder, and they provide us a product that makes our life and our job super simple. It literally triggers for you. That's it. Stupid simple. Put it on your hot shoe, and away you go. You literally just set up your exposure settings, aim your lens, your frame, your comp towards the storm, picks up everything for you. So what it does is it actually, every lightning strike emits a kind of infrared burst right before a strike is visible, a clouded ground or a CG strike, anvil, whatever type is happening. This actually triggers right when that infrared burst jumps. So the bar here in the front, which sits on your camera like this, facing out that way, will actually pick up that signal and trigger your camera for you. And it's actually as simple as that. Turning it on, putting it on, and actually taking the cable that they give you that is specific to your camera, whether it's a Canon and the brand, Canon 80D for example is what I shoot with, or my 60D which I shoot with as well, or your Nikon, Sony, whatever, it works. They give you a cable specific for it, you plug it in here, plug it into the trigger slot into your side of your camera, put it on, good to go. And here are just a couple images of the shots I've got with the Strike Finder 2. Now if you don't know how fast I'm talking about, for these strikes to go from cloud to ground and your camera triggering because of the Strike Finder, well, this is what they say it does, and I've seen it in proof. Depending on the storm, lightning flashes can last several hundred milliseconds and contain dozens of strokes, each occurring approximately 40 milliseconds apart. The Strike Finder 2 has a response time in microseconds, enabling you to capture those strikes. Now, with most of us shooting out in the field like we do during lightning season, we're gonna get wet. It's the inevitability, it's gonna happen. Now, if you're shooting with L series glass or a high-end DSLR, it's most likely, if not and definitely going to be weather sealed. Strike Finder 2, not weather sealed, and that's okay. There are other ways around it. There are other things you can buy like off Amazon, little hoods and umbrellas and stuff, just to keep it out of the elements. And you really shouldn't be shooting in the rain per se. Like, you're gonna get a little mist, a little rain, that's fine. As long as you're not getting it drenched. I've had no issues with it. I've been shooting it for over a year. It's great. And another good thing about this trigger, it's affordable. It's only $139 plus shipping, and the cable comes included. It's made in the US, and they also ship internationally. So you really can't beat it, to be honest. And like, honestly, I've not been paid to say any of this. This is, I don't know, as a photographer, that's a big thing. When you find little bits and pieces throughout the industry that make your life infinitely easier, you gotta give them love. Plus they're the nicest people around too. They've been super easy for contact if I've had any issues, which have been slim to none. The customer service is top notch for what I look at, for everything that I've used over the years. And I've been shooting for 10 years, so I run into a lot of problems with a lot of different things that I use. Now for the battery. That's another thing. It does not run off of just magic. This has a little compartment in the front. Pop that slide open and runs on a 9-volt battery. We usually end up using the ProCell by Duracell, and this is the one that I've had in it since I started using it. Still haven't changed out the battery. So battery life as well. Another one up with these guys. So what I'll do is I'll link their website down below in the link to purchase the Strike Finder 2. and go check them out, man. They're super awesome. They have a bunch of other products too, if that's not to your liking. If you want a little bit something with a little bit more customization, they have a couple other options as well. Go check them out, and trust me, you will love it, because I have been using it, like I said, for over a year, and we're out every day out here in Florida shooting storms. That thing is rugged, it works great, no faults, easy, just plug and go when you have a quick, and you set up your crap real quick and throw your camera on the tripod, throw that in the hot shoe, throw it in there, boom, you're good to go. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Forever, ever, or never mind. Oh,